bigger equals faster.
No, that XC will mop up that Maverick R.
Dude, for sure that ain't happening. Dude, it only makes 120 horsepower.
It's mostly stock, yes,
Exactly.
but that Maverick R doesn't even have a tune in it.
I mean, I came here to fucking cash checks, so.
Nah, you're gonna get mopped up. Let's go.
Yeah, time to find out.
Welding gloves on.
You got this, Josh?
Dude, I was born to get this.
You think you got it?
Dude, 120 horsepower's got that bitch covered. Believe that. Bad for 120 horsepower DS, baby. 120 horsepower DS. What happened back there?
I just want to tell you, if this is broken, it's not my fault.
I thought these made like 240 horsepower. This one makes 120.
It makes weird noises and check engine lights.
This one makes 120.
This currently makes 120. I'll put it in big boost mode now.
All right, I'll wait for you.
Yeah.
Not real sure what to say now.
What happened, sir? This thing's a 120 horsepower base model DS that's mostly stock.
I think it's the weather.
It's turbo weather. It's 30
cold.
degrees.
But my feet are cold. They're having a hard time pressing all the way down on the gas pedal and stuff.
I don't know if that's not. No.
That's what it is for sure.
No.
My nose is cold.
I have nothing. I just have these.
I'm shivering.
I'm
Yeah,
cold.
it's kind of chilly.
You know what sucks? That thing. This base model DS is where it's at.